Why can't I open HEIC photos on iPhone? This guide will explore the reasons behind this issue and provide solutions to help you successfully open HEIC photos. Part 1. Why can't I see HEIC photos on iPhone? Here are a few common reasons. iMessage disabled. Turning off iMessage can prevent the iPhone from receiving complex file formats like HEIC through standard text messaging, potentially causing issues with picture downloads in iMessage. Insufficient storage. A lack of available storage on your iPhone can interfere with the proper opening and processing of HEIC files. High efficiency mode disabled. If the high efficiency setting in your camera settings is turned off, the iPhone may struggle to handle HEIC files effectively. Outdated iOS version. Running an outdated version of iOS might mean missing critical updates needed to properly manage HEIC files. iCloud sync issues. Problems with iCloud syncing, especially related to messages or photos, can prevent HEIC files from being accessed correctly on your iPhone. Part 2. How to fix can't open HEIC on iPhone. Here are 7 fixes you can try when you can't open HEIC file on iPhone. Fix 1. Force restart iPhone. A force restart clears the device's temporary memory RAM and restarts the operating system, helping to eliminate these glitches and restore normal functionality, including the ability to open HEIC files. Fix 2. Re-enable iMessage in settings. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Scroll down to the Messages option and turn off iMessage. Step 3. Wait a few seconds, then re-enable iMessage. Fix 3. Re-sign in Apple ID. Step 1. Open Settings on your iPhone. Step 2. Tap your Apple ID profile, then select Sign Out. Step 3. Enter your password to log out, then log back into your Apple ID. Step 4. Once the sync is complete, check if you can open the HEIC photos properly. Fix 4. Enable low-quality image mode. Enabling low-quality image mode can help by compressing images, making them easier for your device to manage. Step 1. Go to Settings and tap on Messages. Step 2. Scroll down and find low-quality image mode. Step 3. Turn on this option, then check the HEIC photos again. Fix 5. Update iOS version. Step 1. Open Settings and tap on General. Step 2. Select Software Update to check for available updates. Step 3. Download and install the latest iOS version, and after installation, try reopening the HEIC photos. Fix 6. Convert HEIC to JPG or JPEG or PG. If you still can't open HEIC photos, you can use third-party tools to convert them to JPG or N formats for better compatibility. Coolmuster HEIC Converter is a user-friendly tool that can quickly batch convert HEIC photos to more common formats while maintaining image quality. After conversion, you can easily view these photos on any device. Step 1. First, transfer your photos from your iPhone to the Windows computer. Then, download and install this tool on your PC. Step 2. Click the Add HEIC button or drag your images into the dash box. Then click the Drop and Drop Here icon to add your HEIC photos. Step 3. Once you've imported the HEIC photos, select the images you want to convert and choose JPG, or N for the output format. If needed, enable the Keep EXIF data option to retain the original information of the images. Step 4. Adjust the quality settings. Specify an output folder on your computer for the converted files, and then click the Convert button to change HEIC to N or JPG. Fix 7. Check if the photo file is corrupted. If the HEIC image is still not opening on iPhone, the last step is to check if the file itself is corrupted. You can try sending the photo to a computer or another device to see if it opens there. If the file won't open on other devices either, it may be damaged. In this case, you can attempt to re-obtain the photo from the source or use data recovery tools to fix the corrupted file. Bonus: how to turn off HEIC on iPhone. If you want to avoid future issues with opening HEIC format files, you can choose to disable HEIC and switch to the more compatible JPG format. Step 1. Open Settings, tap on Camera, select Formats. Step 2. Set the format to most compatible so that new photos will be saved in JPG format.